Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love. I really appreciate you. As you can see by the title, I am making this delicious dish. Stick around with me. Let I show you how I do this. Sister J's way, Sister J's version, and Sister J's style.
Yeah, my cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say, Sister J. The food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cook me, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the
So here's a rundown of all my ingredients. I have a piece of purple cabbage. I have an acorn squash. I have some mushrooms, carrots, assorted bell pepper, celery, tomato, thyme, garlic. Also have some olive oil that I'll be using. Here I already have the mushrooms and the acorn squash already cut up. Also the carrot, the celery, the garlic, the bell pepper, and the onions. I'll be using some complete seasoning, some black pepper, some parsley, some sea salt, and I'll be also using some corn. So now I'm adding some oil to the pot to do my stir fry. I'm not adding any soy sauce to this stir fry vegetables. I'll be adding the vegetables that I think take the longest to cook first. So I'll be doing the squash and the carrot. And then I'm gonna add the celery and the garlic to it also, so it will get its flavor while cooking. But the squash and the carrot is a little harder than the rest of vegetables that I'm using. So now I'm adding the mushroom, and this mushroom is gonna spring some liquid. Yes, as we all know that mushroom have a lot of water, so it's gonna spring some liquid to help cook the carrots and the squash. And then I'm adding some tomato, which is gonna send some liquid also. So I'm just mixing and combine. So right here, the mushroom started to send some liquid out. And yes, the carrot and the squash is getting tender. Now I'm adding the cabbage. I'm using the purple cabbage, as you can see. I love purple cabbage. So I'm just stirring the vegetables so it can be sauteed evenly. Guys, this smells good. So now I'm adding some assorted bell pepper along with the onion and the thyme. Yes, guys. Adding to that, I'm adding some complete seasoning, some parsley flake, some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some salt. And I'm stirring and combine. Now I'm adding the corn. And I'm going to mix this all together. And we're going to have a pot of yumminess when I'm done. Nice, delicious, stir-fried vegetables. So guys, I did not put no soy sauce in this because I refuse to. I just want it like this, you know. I mean, the soy sauce is a little salty, so I'm trying to avoid too much salt in these vegetables. But yes, I did put a little sea salt in it. But this vegetables is going to be so good without the soy sauce. Now I'm sharing out a plate. Look at the steam coming from that, guys. Lovely plate of vegetables. Woo. I'm ready to eat. Guys, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider in doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Thank you so much. Guidance. Yeah, man.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook, all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it day in the Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook, all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it day in the